yet, but we are starting to come up towards the end of the trip. On behalf of myself and the entire staff out here, I want to thank you very much for coming out and riding visit with me today here in my backyard. Hope I made it enjoyable for you. Had a good time. Also, I want to wish you all a very safe and happy New Year coming up. Watch over here to the right of in the tree. There's the anhinga again. Hi, darling! It's up in the tree now. And there's the turtle right down the right, too. Darling!
Turtle!
Yeah.
Now, the turtle there, his name is Soup.
Det der er skildpadden.
Soup. He's got a cousin named Stu. Watch for the big girl up here on the right, too. Got her mouth hardly open. That's handbag. My handbag. Nice color wallet, but she got
Fantastic.
Come years, I'm gonna change her name to Boots. Now look around, guys. Make sure you have everything you brought with you today. It's a long way back out here. If you forget anything or anyone, please make sure you have your cameras, purses, wallets, spouses, children. Make sure you have it.